At the end of this video presentation, the learners will be able to identify the quadrants of the given point. Cartesian coordinate plane. Our Cartesian coordinate plane is made of two intersecting lines, which are the horizontal line and the vertical line, this one. The coordinates or ordered pairs denote points on a plane, which are our x-axis here and our y-axis here. It has an intersection at point denoted as 0 here in center. Here. To identify our quadrant, we have our ordered pairs. So let's different or identify our pairs. So we have an example of ordered pair of 5 and 8. So let's define these two numbers. First, our first number, which is 5, is called abscissa. That was called abscissa, guys, which obtain all the measuring parallel of the x-axis. So which have there the Cartesian plane. So and our x is here. So ang ating first number, all obtain the measuring of our x-axis. Then our second number, which is called ordinate. And our ordinate, our second number, obtained the y-axis here in our Cartesian plane. Now, let's discuss and identify the quadrants of their given point. To define our quadrant, I draw a Cartesian plane. So let's start. Our quadrant 1 is located at the upper right side of the Cartesian plane, which is here. Our upper right side here. So it has a value of positive. So our first quadrant have the value of positive. So for example, we have positive 3 at saka positive 2. Sige, gawa natin the example para malaman nyo. So here the countering, we have 1, 2, 3. So our 3, diba, it's called, our first number of our ordered pair is called abscissa. At saka yung second number natin sa ordered pair natin, it's called ordinate. So abscissa of 3 and ordinate of 2 ang ating gipangita. So sa abscissa of 3 here. So our abscissa is our x-axis, and then our ordinate is also our y-axis. So our 3 is located at here. Then our 2 is located also at here. So let's define. Then we have this one. So that's here. So our quadrant 1 is located talaga siya sa upper right side. Next, our quadrant 2. Our quadrant 2 naman is located at the upper left side of our plane. So this one. Left side lang siya ng ating quadrant 1. So this here is our quadrant 2 here. And the value of our quadrant 2 is have a negative, positive. So let's have an example. Siguro, abscissa of negative 3 and ordinate of positive 2. So wait, let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have the 3, abscissa of 3 here in our x, and dito 2. So that's it. The value of our quadrant 2. That's next. Our quadrant 3 is located at the lower left side of our Cartesian plane here. It has a value of negative. Then let's have an example for it. Sige. For example, we have the negative 3 at saka negative 2, the abscissa of negative 3 and the ordinate of negative 2. We have here the 3 at saka the 2 here. That's it. So we have the outcome. That is the quadrant 3 located at the lower left side of the Cartesian plane. And the last one also is our quadrant 4 located at the lower right side of our Cartesian plane. It has the value of positive, negative. So let's have an example for it. Let's have, sige, positive 3 at saka negative 2. So that's it. Our value of quadrant 4. So, naka-build tayo ng box sa ating example kung given siya, di ba? So, that's our quadrants. What their values and saan sila malulocate.